One question we hear all the time is, with so many different solar hot water systems around, how on earth can I know which to choose? Well, the answer really is you don't, not unless you ask the right questions and get accurate answers before you decide. But you are on the right track. Water heating is the biggest contributor to the Australian household electric bill for most houses. It costs us all big time. If you look at the typical costs of an Australian household, especially if you're using electricity to heat your water, gas is also expensive because with a gas heating system you're having to heat every drop of water that you use. You're paying for every drop of hot water that you heat. Water heating costs typically there are 32%. It's costing us big time in other ways as well. Did you know that the cost of water heating is the single biggest contributor to the Australian household carbon footprint? It accounts for an average of 25% of the typical home's greenhouse gas emissions. That means that by installing one system and using the sun's free energy to heat your water and reducing your hot water energy consumption, your bills, by as much as 50 to 90%, you can also save up to 3 tonnes each year of CO2 emissions. That's like taking a 4-cylinder car off the road. Imagine what would happen if more Australian households went the same way. So do you want free help? Do you want to get some answers to those questions? Which type makes the most sense? Which manufacturer builds the best system? What will it cost? How much are the rebates and how on earth do they work? How do you find an installer you can trust? And a ton of more questions. Go to solarwateranswers.com. We'll send you a free buyer's checklist entitled 20 Trade Tips for finding the best deal in solar hot water systems fast. Go there now, solarwateranswers.com.